G'day, you absolute legends, and ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. That's my Santa Claus reenactment, what do you call it right there? Anyway, that's me being Santa Claus, but I digress. What this is an announcement to let you know we have a special Christmas stream coming up with an absolute metric ton of prizes to give away. So I've had to make a notepad list on my computer so I can read out all the prizes we've got coming up. We're going to be doing a live stream for Christmas Day. I think it starts around 6 or 7 if you're in the US. It is 11 a.m. on Boxing Day if you're in Australia. There should be a little card anyway that's going to be popping up right here somewhere. You can go click on that. Make sure you set yourself that reminder because this is the stream you don't want to miss. Maybe you're stuck alone on Christmas. Maybe you're in lockdown. Maybe you're traveling. Maybe you can't see your friends and family. Well, don't worry. Our UAVfutures stream family is here for you. This is a Christmas special stream, a place where I want to make a live stream that everybody can connect, feel good, and, you don't have to feel so alone and isolated in Christmas. 2020 has been especially tough for a lot of people. I know it's been really tough on me. And I thought, you know what? There's going to be a lot of people out there who Christmas is often a really, really hard time of year as well. So this is to let you guys know we have a special Christmas stream for you guys. So if you can't see your family, don't worry. We've got the FPV of brothers and sisters. The FPV family is going to be here for you. But maybe on the flip side of that, maybe you're sick of your family. You've been talking to them all day and like, oh my goodness, I just need a break. My family is driving me up the wall. Don't let my kids hear this. Kids, I love you to death. But maybe you need a break as well. So the stream is going to be there for you. So yeah, somewhere up there should be that little link. Go and check it out. Some of the prizes we've got to give away, and boy, oh boy, are they going to be special. We've got some Tracer stuff from TBS, and a huge shout out to every single one of these companies. So we've got some, do you guys want the new Tracer that is flying off the shelves and is very, very difficult, I guess, to get stock levels because so many people want it, so popular. We've got some Tracer stuff to give away. We have the new Armaton Bobcat frame that no one has even seen yet, so unannounced. We're going to be giving one of those away. We've got a jumper radio, which is going out to you guys, so thank you very much, Jumper. Emax is chipping in. We've got a Tiny Hawk bind and fly kit that's going to be going out, as well as some Emax S motors for somebody else. We've got a Meteor 65 HD, who doesn't want to win one of those? And we've also got 20 simulator keys, so a huge amount of prizes that's going to be going out for you guys. All you have to do is turn up. There is going to be a link in the description as well, because we're going to be doing some stuff over on Discord. Make sure you signed up to Discord, because that's where we're going to be interacting and doing a few of our giveaways as well, coinciding with the stream. But that is the Santa Claus special. What can we call this? The Christmas with UAVfutures. That is the live stream. And also, I want to say, here is a bit of a challenge for now. This is the other announcement as well, which is pretty special. I want to see your best FPV moment. We're going to have a big prize for this as well. Your best FPV moment of the year. I want to see kind of a 30-second or less video of what was the best FPV moment for you in 2020. There's going to be a place on Discord as well. I'll put the little invite link in the description. So if I jump over here, you're going to see this bit right here. You can scroll down if you can't find it. Best FPV moment of the year. Post your little 30-second video in the chat. Can I get my face out of here, please? Can we kind of see through my... Let's have a look here. There you go. Post your little image or video, whatever it's going to be, in the bottom down here, and you'll be set off to the races. We're going to watch all them on the stream. We're going to be hanging out, having some fun. We might play some Rocket League. I've got some packages from you guys that I have to open, so I've got some Christmas presents that you guys have sent me from overseas, so I'm pretty excited to open that. We've got some other new products in the studio as well, which I haven't opened up, so we're going to be having a lot of fun doing Daily Dose of Donnie. Anyway, this is just a little announcement to say, look, if you're not doing anything on Christmas, you want to hang out, have some fun, maybe sit back, relax. I don't even know how long the stream's going to go for. It's not going to be your everyday stream. It is the Christmas with UAVfutures stream. Go check that link, which should be up there or maybe on this side. I'm not too sure. Whatever side it's going to pop up on, go check that out. We have a metric ton of prizes, a metric ton of fun, and it's going out for you guys. If you want to have a break on Christmas, you want to catch up with some people, your stream family's going to be here. There's going to be nothing but love, y'all, as some of my good friends say, and I can't wait to see you there. So there it is, a little announcement. Get your videos in as well for the best FPV moment of the year. I've got to be an under 30-second clip. We'll be watching all them, having some fun. Can't wait to see you there. On that, I would say the subscribe part, but I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you're feeling relaxed and happy because you deserve to be. 2020's been tough, and I can't wait to see you on the Christmas stream. So I'll catch you in whenever this goes live, and I'll see you there. Make sure you click that reminder, because that's how YouTube is going to then send you a little message and say, hey, we're live. Go check that bit out. And the Discord links are in the description. Anyway, happy flying.